Hi guys, today I'm here to show you what I got for Christmas. It came late, probably a few weeks after Christmas from Kyle. He had to order it because Best Buy didn't have any in stock. So he had to order it online. It was on sale and I'll just show you what it is. So this is what I got for Christmas, which I'm super excited about. And I just haven't been able to use it because it's been cold or rainy or snowing or windy or anything that a drone shouldn't be flown in. So it's mild out today. It's not snowing. It's fairly still, so it's not windy. And I'm just charging up the controller and the battery right now. So you get this controller, which is huge. It's very intimidating. And then the drone with the camera, which is 4K, which I'm super excited about. And then you also get this toggle for like a handheld, so that way it makes really steady shots, which I'm also super excited for summertime. So obviously it's not going to be something that I get to use, you know, on a regular basis in the winter, but I'm super excited to use it in the summer. And there it is. So when I first saw this thing, I thought it was like a beast. I'm like, he bought me a damn helicopter. So there it is there without the blades, and then the camera. And this is the handheld toggle. So you can take the camera from this and put it on this so that you can hold it. And then this will actually hold your phone as well, which is kind of cool. So hopefully I get to play around with this a little bit this afternoon. It is 2:45 in the afternoon. So Kyle will be home any minute now. And hopefully we can go have some fun. And hopefully not crash it, because you can't get warranties with these things. It's all packed up, ready to go. And I'm gonna go pick up Mom and Dad, and Dude's gonna come with us. I'm gonna leave Diesel here, just cause I don't know how he's gonna react to the drone. So I don't want him like jumping up and biting it or something. But yeah, let's go. Whoa, slippery. It's all icy, dude. Careful, because it's ice. Wait. Hang on, wait. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, well, let's go. Hot 2, 1, 2. Hello, we're here. Bye, dude. Have fun. The opening's over there.
Oh.
He thinks it's there.
Where are you going? Here, hope I help you. Okay, if you're gonna hit something, you're gonna hit it anyway. You're gonna drive it out to the road there and. Oh.
I can't fly it without blades.
You're an idiot. Are you all there? You gotta go home now?
No, they're here.
Oh.
It just...
Well, good thing we'll call you a test pilot.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm exhausted.
Huh?
I don't have the blades. I just put the fire hose back on. This is not turning out so well. Okay, well, I forgot the blades at home. So Mom is meeting us here because we're only like 2 seconds away from our house, but she's gonna bring them. Stupid. Dude, are you having fun? No! He's like, no, fend for yourself, Papa. He loves it. Oh, she's here! She's here! The savior!
Annie, slow it down to 100, lady.
Really? Slow her down. Oh, it's amazing. A little toddler will trek through the snow just to go see his nanny.
Lady.
At least you know he'll go a mile to see ya.
Uh-oh, brain freeze. What's the matter? What's the matter?
Oh, the SD card isn't in it.
Can you try and fly it anyway?
I can fly it without the SD card, it just won't record.
Well, is it in the accessories
You
box?
gotta turn that on, don't you?
It isn't
Tiffany?
connected.
Is it in the accessories box inside the car?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna worry about it. There we go.
Look at buddy.
Damien, look it!
Now it'll hover. I'll turn it.
Hi! Everybody!
Oh yeah. It'd take a lot to blow all the way. What the heck was that?
Oh, that's why my camera's not turning. It's just the case. It's just the
I'm
case.
gonna get it anyway.
Oh, I wish I was recording there.
Oh yeah.
I can't record it because there's no interface. It's in the car. Should I go get it? Well, that was just too cool. Did you have fun? Did you have fun, dude? What do you see out there? Huh? Yeah, that was too cool. I can't wait for summer. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder to fly, but it really wasn't. So now we're gonna head home quickly, and then we're gonna go check out a piece of property and see. So it's a piece of property that we would buy together, mom and dad and us, and then sever it down the middle and pay half each. So it's a bigger lot, which is nice, but it's still not like a ton of acres. We would have both like 1.75 acres each. So oh, it's busy.
Was somebody sleeping?
He's got his hands right in there.
Aww, show his face.
He's so tired.
Muggers. Okay, we just pulled over and the driveway isn't clear, but we're gonna go check it out because by the looks of it, people have done the same thing.
Oh, that's deer.
No.
Yes, look at it.
Really?
It's deer tracks.
It's gotta be people too.
It's deer tracks sunk.
Two? Really?
I'm not kidding you. Look at it. It's deer tracks sunk into the snow. See?
Maybe, yeah.
It's not maybe.
They're skinny.
You're a maybe. That's why you see the
Yeah,
picture with the
look at-
deer, remember?
I know. Well. So the one thing we don't like about this is it's right off the highway, but if it's back in here far enough. We're currently trespassing, but that's okay. Who knows? Might own it one day. Holy crap. Oh, so they took the picture that way. It's pretty low there.
It's nice up there, depending on how far back it goes.
Yeah, I like it. I like what they had envisioned, for sure. I don't know if they do though, really. Look at all the logs up there, firewood already cut, ready to be split. Cut and split. Hey, some years we got that too. Okay, on our way down. Oh, did you want to stay up here and let Mom look? Hmm? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. I hate the feeling of snow in my boot. Ugh. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Holy crap. Okay guys, we're home. It's about 6 o'clock. I'm gonna start editing, and because I have to have a video up for tomorrow, and then I guess we're gonna make dinner, and I'm gonna review the footage, so that should be exciting. I'm gonna also try and find the piece of property that we just looked at online, because they don't actually give you like what the shape of the property looks like. They just show you how much property it is, and then how much frontage. So we either have to do some calculations, or I have to try and find the actual like survey of it. So I'm gonna do that now. I got my computer all set up and my wine, and that's it for tonight. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.